In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to create alien planets with prompt engineering using Midjourney, extract the height and texture material using Adobe Substance 3D Sampler. Finally, to use the height to create 3D object on Blender. I'm building Apes Ascendance video game that is a fantasy dystopian in future space-time video game, and I need a lot of planets for cinematics and for alpha versions game testing. This maps work good for films, for content creators, game developers, artists, and 3D generalists. Go to compassprompt.com, link description. We are using prompts to create alien planets. You can use free prompts included, or you can get full access by buying this prompt for full commercial access. We are using prompt 1 and replacing craters with our own unique key feature for the alien planet. We are replacing with ancient big crater asteroid and spiral rivers in planet. Now with the prompt copied, we go to Midjourney app, write imagine, then paste the prompt. So the image is fantastic, but I recommend to remix the image, emphasizing orthogonal 90 degrees view to get better results in the terrain generation, cause we are using a subdivided plane on Blender. Choose the images you like and save them. Also, I recommend to remix best ones by emphasizing key features with good traits that already inherits from first dream. Export images in high res, and I recommend scaling them using some AI image scaler. Enjoy AI art. You'll need Adobe Substance 3D Sampler subscription. Open the program and drag and drop the crater's alien planet photograph created on Midjourney. Click on the option, Image to Material AI Powered. Click Import. Once the AI trained model finishes, the image is turned into a 3D with core properties: height, roughness, metallic, normals, base color, light emission. All these properties are extracted from Midjourney image based on best AI inference trained with tons of data by Adobe. You can play with properties of the base material created in the right down corner. Feel free to adjust heights that can also be tweaked in Blender. The emission of light of the material. The sheen. The interior, the coat. Let's export. Click File, then Export. Click on Material Settings and check that export format is a PNG image. Check the channels you want to export. Recommend at least height, base color, normals, metallic, roughness. Finally, choose the folder you want to export. And click Export. Open Blender and delete the custom cube. Add a mesh plane. Scale the plane 100 times or any dimension it fits your needs. Zoom out. Change to edit mode. Then right-click on the plane and click Subdivide. In number of cuts, set 100. Go back to object mode, and then back to edit mode. Subdivide with another 4 cuts. Go to modifier tools in object mode Choose Displace modifier. Open your image height PNG file created in Adobe 3D Sampler. Now we need to adjust the heights to match a realistic aesthetics terrain. Go to Colors and tweak the RGB multipliers by lowering down. Finally, a result I love. Remember, Blender is also an artistic software, so feel free to follow your intuition. Now, go to Shading and then add a material. In this tutorial, we are going to add base color and normals, but feel free to add more channels. Just drag the image to the Blender viewport. Also, you can use Node Wrangler with principled textures. Now we are connecting nodes manually. Say, are adding a sun as light. Enjoy the results. Never stop dreaming. Link description to all these resources.